Hello everyone, this is the last video of integration by substitution. I hope by that time already you have learned integration by substitution. So we are going to do 2 or 3 difficult problems right now. Difficult, when you will see the problem, when you solve it, it won't be difficult. Trust me. So integration of log x sine 1 plus log x whole square divide by x into dx. Remember, I told you something silently. In the sum, dx is there, 1 by x is there, and log x is also present. So what I will do? I will take log x as z. So if I differentiate log x, it will be dx divided by x equals to dz, right? So this sum will transfer, just check the transformation. Dx by x by dz, dx divided by x is my dz. Log x whole square, log x is my z, right? So it will become sine of 1 plus z square. Log x is my z divided by 1. 1 plus z square. Now another substitution. So 1 plus z square, if I take as u, if I differentiate, what will I get? 2z dz equals to du, right? So my z dz will be du divided by 2. Du divided by 2 sine of 1 plus z square sine u. We can solve this sum right now, right? 1 divided by u, what is integration of sine u? Minus cos u plus c. So it will be minus half cos, what is u? 1 plus z square, and what is z? Log x. So cos 1 plus log x whole square plus c. Now my motto is you have to do it in some way such that in the very first step you can take 1 plus log x whole square equals to something. One substitution, that's all I'll expect. Let's move to the next sum. My next sum is integration of x plus 1 e to the power x cos square x e to the power x into dx. Difficult? No, not really. Just check what I will do. Cos square x, easy. E to the power x, easy. But x e to the power x, everything all together, creating problem for us. Take this as z. If this is creating problem for us, take this as z. Simple thing. There I will see what I can do. So x into what is dx of e to the power x? E to the power x plus e to the power x into dx of x. Dx of x is 1. Great. Into dx equals to dz. What I can take common? E to the power x in bracket x plus 1 into dx equals to dz. Can you see anything? I told you whatever is creating your problem, just take this as z. If it is not coming, take something as e. That's all. So e to the power x, x plus 1 into dx, that will be my dz divided by cos square z, right? 1 by cos square z is sec square z. And what is integration of sec square z? Tan z, tan x e to the power x plus c. Sum done. You have to do the substitution very well. So if you have problem in any substitution, just write down the sum in the comment box. I will reply you with the answer. Don't worry. Last sum of substitution for this video, I am doing it for you. Integration of 1 divided by root over of 1 minus x square 2 plus 3 sine inverse x. Before starting integration, you should dream of your differentiation formula. You should dream of your trig formula. You should dream of your integration formula. Differentiation formula I said to dream. 3 sine inverse x. Remember? So let's take 2 plus 3 sine inverse x equals to z. So if I differentiate 2, 0, 3, what is ddx of sine inverse x? Dx divided by this, that is equals to dz. So that will be, not implies sine, it will be equals to, what is dx divided by this? That will be dz divided by 3, right? And what is this? Oh. So 1 by 3 is going outside, integration of dz by z. Answer 1 by 3 log of mod what? 2 plus 3 sine inverse x. So guys, I have made 3 videos on integration by substitution, but integration by substitution you have 100, 120, 200 sums. So any sum you got stuck, please send the sum in the comment box. I am promising you I will answer you. Okay, that's all for it. Thank you.